This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Monday, May 9th. I'm Christopher Valentine. With SOL testing just a week away, many students are preparing for it. However, our Commodores still play hard. On Thursday, our girls tennis team destroyed Lake Taylor 9-0 to remain undefeated. This past Friday, both the Commodore baseball and softball teams went on to face Booker T. Booker T took two crushing defeats that day. They lost to the Commodores 10-0 in baseball and lost 20-0 in softball. Over the weekend, our JV Commodores and Granby faced off in baseball, with Granby taking the defeat 5-2. Now here's Mikey with what's coming up on the schedule.
Thanks, Chris. Today, our undefeated boys and girls teams travel to Newport News to take on Region 5B foe, the Menchville Monarchs. Matches begin at 3:30 at Huntington Park Tennis Center. Tomorrow is a busy sports day. The tennis teams will battle Churchland. The boys play Churchland while the girls play at Northside Park. Matches begin at 3:30. The Commodore baseball teams will also battle Churchland. The varsity plays at Churchland while the JVs play at home. Game time is 4:30. The softball team also travels to Churchland, and that game also begins at 4:30 as well. There's a lot of action, so get out to see your Commodore teams. Back to you, Chris.
Thanks, Mikey. Now here's what's happening at MHS. You're up to date for Monday, May 9th. I'm Christopher Valentine. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.